Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down just a bit to access display. Following that, click on font size and style and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!